In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch organizations in Hubstaff. If you use Hubstaff with more than one organization, it's important to know how to move between them quickly so you can make sure you're viewing the correct workspace, team, and settings. The good news is that switching organizations in Hubstaff is very simple, and it only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. To get started, sign into your Hubstaff account and make sure you're on the main dashboard or any page inside the platform. From there, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. This is where your organization profile is typically displayed. Depending on your account setup, you may see the current organization name, a profile icon, or a small menu area associated with the active workspace. Go ahead and click on the organization profile in that upper right corner. When you do this, a drop-down menu or selection panel should appear. This area allows you to view the organizations connected to your account. If you're part of multiple teams or companies, they should be listed here for easy access. Now, look through the available options and select the organization you want to switch to. Once you click on the new organization, Hubstaff will update your view and take you into that workspace. After the switch, you should see the new organization name reflected in the top area of the screen, which helps confirm that you're now working in the correct account. It's a good habit to double-check the active organization before making changes, reviewing reports, or tracking time, especially if you manage work across several teams. This can help you avoid confusion and make sure your actions are being recorded in the right place. If the organization you need doesn't appear in the list, make sure you're logged into the correct account and that you've been granted access to that organization. In some cases, refreshing the page can also help if the menu doesn't load right away. And that's all it takes to switch organizations in Hubstaff. Once you know where the organization profile is located, moving between workspaces becomes fast and effortless. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you navigate Hubstaff more confidently.